Welcome to Open House, September 9th, 2021. I'm Willie Schlarman, and as you can see, I'm starting my 28th year of teaching. All right, so you can see here my schedule for this year. This is my 28th year of teaching geometry. Over the years, I've had advanced geometry, I've had regular geometry, I've had applied geometry, but it's my favorite math course to teach. I hope that comes out every day when the students walk into room 109 with me. I enjoy trying to teach the logic and the thinking that goes with a lot of the different things we're trying to do this year. This screen's a little background on me personally. I went to Highlands High School, graduated in 1983, and then on to NKU in 1987. My first couple years out of college, I actually pursued the business world. I worked for Griffin Industries for 6 years, started at the central office and wound up working at a place in Florida and in Columbus, Indiana for them. Had I known they were going to sell for $840 million, later on, a couple years ago, they just sold for that. Maybe I made the wrong decision going into education, but I love what I do, and below that are the 27 years that I have spent in the teaching profession. I was at Dayton for a year, Highlands for 2. I kind of chased the coaching bug and went out to Brossard High School for 7, and been back at Highlands for 17 years since. So came back here in 2004 and couldn't be happier. So if you add it all up, I have probably spent close to 25 years of my life here at Highlands High School. And I think that says a lot about what I think about Highlands. I really enjoy coming to work every day. I enjoy living in the community. I just think that it's an awesome place to raise a family and a great place to go to school. Up next, let's talk a little bit about grades and Schoology and Infinite Campus. Schoology is the place where basically I keep up with everything in terms of grades. Infinite Campus is where we do our quarterly grades, our midterm grades. But Schoology is the place where you can really keep track of your student. Here are the different things that we're going to have during the course of a quarter. Tests, we'll probably have 2 to 3 tests every quarter. They're generally 100 points each. Quizzes, on weeks that we do not have a test, we'll probably have a quiz. They vary in point value based upon how much material we're covering. Homework is generally happening on a daily basis. Now, they'll get started on it in class. If they don't finish it up in class, then it becomes homework. We'll go over it the next day, and those are usually worth 5 points each. Now, a new wrinkle. All of our homework gets submitted into Schoology. So if you're ever wondering why they say got 4 out of 5 points, chances are they may have submitted it late. So you can always check where they are at as far as things that have been submitted into Schoology. We also have Mathia workspaces. These will vary in point value also based on the number of workspaces that are included. This first Module 1, Topic 1 that we're working with has 8 workspaces. Each space is worth 5 points for a total of 40 points. It is due next Tuesday, September 14th, the same day that we take the test for Module 1, Topic 1. So generally, Mathia workspaces and tests go together. We'll have Mathia days in class, and then if they're not able to finish it up in the allotted classroom days, they'll have to spend some time out of class on it. Calculating the grade is really simple. Take the student's total points divided by the total points possible. And Schoology does all that for you. It keeps a running tally of everything. I take a lot of pride in taking care of Schoology pretty much on a daily basis. And what you see there is about as real time as I can get. Now, there are times where something gets turned in and I might, especially if it's late, I may not get to it right away. But Schoology is that place to really monitor a student's progress from home. As we continue on here, this is what the students have access to in our geometry group, okay? This is the tab from last year, if you will. It's called the Geometry Group, Mr. Schlarman, and it's got all these folders from days to homework to notes, Mathia, textbook, videos, and pacing. In each one of those folders, they can find exactly what they're looking for. Every day from the beginning of the school year is listed with the assignment for that day. Any homework assignments, handouts, pages, all those are listed in homework. So if for some reason they would have a 0 on, say, homework number 5, you would go to that folder, you can look it up, find out exactly what it was. Notes are grouped by the module and topic, so they can go into this note folder and find exactly what notes coincide with what we did that day in class. It's pretty sharp. There's stuff over 28 years that show up there, and it's been pretty helpful. Mathia shows the current Mathia assignment along with the past and previous ones if there's ever a question about what workspaces they need to take a look at. There's actually a textbook folder where they can go in and find whatever module topic we're working on in the textbook at that time. And if they do not bring their binder home with the textbook in it, they have access to it from home. There are Carnegie videos that I've got in the video folder. All they have to do is point and click, and it will show them a video of what we worked on in class. It's not my presentation, it is Carnegie's presentation. These are the folks that put the book together. So they can see it and hear it from another person, maybe in a different way. And then the pacing folder shows exactly what we're doing from day to day. There's a calendar that will show what we're doing in class and how other things go with it. So this Schoology is really where I put everything. This advanced geometry group, all the students have the access code to it. They've all joined that group. They all have the ability to go anywhere in there and get anything they're looking for. So that would be a great resource to utilize at home during the week. So on this last page, if you need to communicate with me, there are about 3 ways you could go about it. Number 1, I do have a phone here in school. My phone number is there, 815-2655. What'll happen is it'll ring in and go to voicemail and leave your message. It lights up red. I know I've got a message. I'll check it, and I promise I will get back with you within 24 hours. A second way is to email me at school. Right there is my email address, willie.schlarman@fortthomas.kyschools.us. And again, I usually like to clean these up before I leave for the end of school that day. And finally, you could send me a Schoology message. And I promise I will get back to you. 24 hours is our rule. So I appreciate everybody watching this video. I'm sure it's probably not quite the presentation that I put on in class on these nights, but I think I've walked you through all the important items. We look forward to seeing you in October when we finally do get to have a kind of a mini class night with parents. Thank you very much.